Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you my ultimate time boxing Notion template that I designed to improve the focus, improve the time management skills and better focus on achieving the goals. And if you want to get this template, I will leave the link in the comments. So as you open the template, you can see the long-term goals planning, milestones and day of the week planner. And in the long-term goals, just define the long-term goals, and if you open, you can see the milestones related to that goal and the deadline. And here you can track the milestones, active and completed milestones. And then the template has days of the week planner, so if you open any day, you can see here most important tasks for today, for this day, and then the time boxing calendar. And yeah, these tasks, those should be related to your goals and milestones. And then in the time boxing calendar, you can see the time slots, which you can configure however you like. I have the template setup video at the bottom of the template. And then here you can pick the tasks, say work, groceries and so on. And you can also configure the list of the tasks in a way that suits you the best. And at the end we have the template has the brain dumping section just for the notes, thoughts, etc. So yeah, this is my ultimate time boxing. And thank you for watching the video, and if you want to learn more, I will leave the link to the template in the comments.